Oh, okay na yan. Color na. Shh! Huwag gagalawin. Bilis na. Color. Bakit ganyan? What is the color of my skin?
Yellow.
Yellow! Ano ko may hepa? Color. What color? Look at me.
Brown.
Brown. Good job. Oh, where's your color brown? Where is the color brown?
Brown.
No, it's not.
Okay.
What is the color? Where's the color brown? No. Wrong, Gabriel. Shh. Where's the color brown? Stop that. Color brown. Yan. Macy, pakita mo sa kanila yung brown. It's, what is that? Brown. Okay. O, color na tayo. Okay na. Okay na po. Let's go to coloring. Ano yung kukulayan natin? Face. Face, di ba? Wow. Excuse me. Oh, color din si Mami dito sa side. Wow. Okay, good job. Ah! Galing! Clap! 1, 2, 3, ha! Galing! Yay! Uy, nahulog! Nahulog yung isang crayon. Get? Okay, very good.
Pa?
Next! What is the other? Oh, may face pa dito! Color mo yung face. Wait lang. Saan ka pupunta? Oh, ba't mo pinatayan ng ilaw dun sa sala?
Ay, napatay.
Oh, color na yung face.
Papatay.
What is this, Gabriel? Look, Gabriel. Gab, look. What is this?
Brown.
What is this?
Brown.
No, what is this? This is
Brown.
kamay. What color ng kamay? Look, kamay, Mami. What color?
Brown.
Brown! Good job! O, color natin yung kamay, ha? Yung kamay is color. Kamay is color. Stop ko yan.
No.
Oh, tingin ka dito. Bilis na. Bilis na po. Ay, stop ko na, Mami.
No.
Oh, color.
Mommy. This.
Oh, yung color, ano kukulayan natin? Yung hands. Which is color?
Brown.
Brown. Good job. Okay, brown. Kulay lahat ng hands. Galing-galing.
Yellow.
No, it's brown again. Ang arms is color brown. That's the correct color, okay? Okay po? Sagot! Wow! Ha? Stop ko na yan?
No.
Oh, color na. Keep coloring. Keep na.
No.
Ah, stop ko na.
No.
Color na po. Bilis na po. I'm done with the hands.
Hindi dami paa.
Ay, dami pa. What color ng paa?
Brown.
Brown also. Okay, good job.
Tapos sapatos.
Yung sapatos, what color ng sapatos? What color ng shoes mo, Gab-Gab? Ha?
Red.
Red, okay. Is that red?
Green. And red.
Oh, where's red? Oh, color mo na ng red, bilis. Bitawan na yung green. I'm looking for the red also. Where is red? Red. Where is red? Can you help Mommy find the color red?
Ito.
Where? Where is the red? Red, where are you? Sasagot kaya si red? Where is red? Oh, this one, what is color? Oh,
Red.
it's black. What color? Where is red? Where is this? This is also black.
That's not red.
That's not red. Where's the red?
Yeah.
Sure? Is that red?
No.
What color is that?
Violet.
Violet. Good job. Oh no. Where's red? What is this?
Red.
Oh, it's red! Let's see.
Red.
Ikaw nga. Ganun mo nga.
Kapag ganyan, no?
Opo. Akin na. Dito. Yan. Good job. Need help? Oh. Patingin nga, si mami nga. Ganito, oh. Yan. Red! Another one. Red! Okay, we have red. Oh, where's the, ano yung kukulayan natin? Shoes? Okay, shoes. Where is shoes? Oops! Red only.
Green only.
Ay, bakit green only? Wow, it's red. Wow, it's red. Other shoes.
Other one red. Another one green.
Oh, it's green and red.
That's not brown.
Oh, yung paa niya not brown. Where's the brown? Where is brown? Here. Color natin yung paa niya. Ng brown. Where is brown?
Ayan.
Ayan. Yung kamay, yung kamay. Yan.
Ay, wala.
Patuloy pa ang search, retrieval at digging operations ng mga otoridad sa ground zero sa kabila ng pabago-bagong panahon.
Okay.
Patuloy ang naitatanapay ng
Other one brown.
Another one brown. This is black.
Ayon sa Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, BOX, nagbulit ito ng grayish plumes na bilangay sa silangang hilaga na bahagi ng bulkan. Sa kasalukuyan ay nasa alert level 3 pa rin ang ngayon at hindi pa rin pinagbabawal ang pagpasok sa 6 km per years old.
Ah,
Opo.
what's
Naging pinagtibay ni Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. na hindi sa sakripisyo ng Pilipinas ang integridad ng teritoryo
Dan
ng
siya.
Dan! Wow!
Black.
Black.
Sa pagdala sa 2026 summer na dahil